Okay, so in this tutorial video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a presentation in your VR tool. Okay, so first go to your dashboard area, then go to virtual tool, go to list tool, go to the VR tool that you want to create the presentation for. So I go to this one, demo 01, click on edit, okay, then I go to this presentation, click here. Okay, so over here, you can choose a presentation type. You can choose a menu or automatic presentation or even a video presentation. Okay, so for this case, I'm going to do a manual one. The user will need to click on the presentation and then it will start. Okay, so I click put a menu. Okay, then you can also put auto start on inactive. So if it's inactive, then it will auto start by itself. Maybe I just put 1000. I just put maybe 5000 milliseconds. So it's quite fast. You can even loop the presentation. If you don't want to loop, you will just finish and stop after you finish the presentation. You can also add a click to stop. So I put here. If the user click the screen, it will stop the presentation. Okay, so for presentation, you can show measurement. Okay, in my previous video, I actually demonstrated how to add a measurement. Okay, so I put view measurement, view point of interest. I've also added quite a number of point of interest. So you click here, it will be able to show. Okay, so room. Okay, you can do the presentation depend on which scene you want. So these are the scene I have in my presentation. So let's do it on the living room scene 2. Okay, then after you have finished setting everything, just click add room. Okay, so over here, select your room number 2, which is the one that you want to add the presentation to. Okay, so you want to add a delay. If not, we just put it as 0 and put add. Okay, so now room 2 is added, but there's no presentation yet. Okay, so we can click on add action to add the presentation. So we click add action. Under action, you have to change the view or add a text. So I just put change the view. Okay, so change the view. Let's say the initial view, it looks like this. Let's say I want it to view to the roof when the presentation starts. So I just move it to the roof. Then I just turn it this way. Okay, so I just click add. So when you play, it will play the animation moving to the roof and turn. Okay, so next we add text. Okay, the text. Let's say that I add okay, I just put thank you for visiting our showroom. And I just add. Okay, let's add one more animation. So okay, so the first animation, it will turn the room. Second animation, it will add a text. Thank you for visiting our showroom. Third animation, maybe I want to add change the view again. The animation I want to add, maybe it turn here. Okay, then I add another text. Okay, so we add text again, and then probably I want to add another room. After this animation, we'll go to another room. So I add room again. This time I go to living room. This time I go to kitchen 01. So go to kitchen and add text and action, add text. So text. Kitchen. Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, then so this is the kitchen. Then we will add action. Let's add an animation. So this is the kitchen. Then you will turn around. So you will show this. And then I add some more action. Maybe this time we show the roof. Maybe this time show like this. Then I add one more action. Maybe this time we show, then followed by show the roof. Okay, show the roof. Okay, so I can go on and add further down. Maybe add one more kitchen. Let's add kitchen 3. So kitchen 3, add. This time I add a different view. So kitchen 3 showed here. Then add one more action. Change the view. Probably after that show here. Then we add one more text. Thank you for viewing. After thank you for viewing, show one more text. End of presentation. Okay, so now we have created a sample presentation. So remember to click save before you leave. So click it. Okay, after we finish adding presentation, we need to enable the UI in order for the user to be able to access to the presentation. So we go to this editor UI. Okay, so under editor UI, we go to here, go to presentation, we click on this presentation, then this show initial is hidden. Now we click the visible. Okay, you can put visible, auto start, will auto start the presentation, or you put visible, so when the user click on it, then it start. Okay, let's try auto start. Okay, so icon position. Icon you can add, you can position the icon left. Okay, so it will come here. Okay, you can position it here. You can position it center, so it's over here. You can position it on the right, so it show over here. Or you can position it in menu item, so it shows inside the menu. The user need to expand the menu to be able to click on it. So we want to make it obvious, so we put it on the center. Okay, then you select an icon for this UI, so we click select icon. So this one is a video, so we will just look for play. So we got this play video icon, so we can select this. We will select this, so this one is more obvious. Then you can change the color. So I put blue, then the icon become blue. Then we put maybe yellow, so when the mouse go over, it become yellow. Okay, so this is how you enable the UI. Okay, so remember to click save after you enable the UI. So after that, you go to list tour. You go to this tool, you go to your VR tool, which is demo 01. Click on this publish. So click on publish, then we copy the share link. Okay, copy share link, open a new browser, paste it, and okay, so now we are in Simulation with autoplay. Go to rooftop. Thank you for visiting showroom. Okay, let's get started. This is the kitchen. Then turn over, go up, then here. Thank you for viewing. End of presentation. Okay, so this is how you create a presentation. Okay, so we click. So we click on this stop button. Stop it. So we click here, and we go to the next scene. Okay, so